What's up, everybody? My name is Justin, also known as the Guamanian Buddha. This is just a little introduction about me and more links down to my social media sites and meaning behind the Guamanian Buddha and the new logo, which I'll start with the name first. Guamanian is because I was born and raised in Guam for 12 years, moved to California in 2007, so that's why it's Guamanian for the first part, because a lot of people call us Guamanian because I'm from Guam. The Buddha part, to explain that, whenever I go out with friends, whether it's hiking, off-roading, or just being silly and being stupid, whenever I sit down on stairs, rock, or just on the ground, I look like a meditating Buddha. So that's where the second part of the name came from. And to explain the logo, which will pop up here in just a second, you know, Buddha, big boy. I'm fat, I'm big, fluffy, whatever you want to call it. And then for the ripped clothes, whenever I go out, I usually have holy shirt or shorts or even both, because I don't want to ruin nice clothes. So I just wear whatever, because I end up working on a car or doing something silly or riding a quads or something. So I don't want to ruin nice clothes, you know. And for the controller part, I'm a big gamer, been gaming nearly my whole life. The vape, I'm a vapor, been vaping 5 years now. I came from hookah, and like I said, I'm a vapor. Currently running, for all you vapors out there, if you're going to ask, running a Sigeli Sober mod with a TFV12 Baby V2. No, TFV12 Baby V2 tank. But that looks, you know, I mean, come on. It looks just like me. Look here. I even do a little teaser. Yeah, see, looks like me. But that's where the name and new logo came from. Best friends came up with it. My best buddy came up with the logo. He sent it to me after we talked about the name, and he was like, "What do you think about this?" I just started cracking up because it looks just like me. I mean, look. But yeah, like I said, born and raised in Guam for 12 years. Came out to California in 2007. Big anime fan. Pokemon is my main, as you can see on the screen right here. Squirtle and Pikachu. You're going to ask, my favorite Pokemon is old school base set Charizard. I mean, come on. Charizard's absolutely amazing. But I also like Dragon Ball Z, High School DxD, One Punch Man, Afro Man. All the good animes. I mean, come on. There's too many out there to list, but you guys get the point. Big anime fan. I love off-roading, hiking, supercross, motocross. I used to race dirt bikes when I was younger, when I was back in Guam. And I love dirt bikes. And my main dirt bikes would be two-strokes. I mean, come on. You gotta love the sound of a two-stroke engine. It's absolutely beautiful. But like I was saying, I love sushi. I like tinkering with electronics. I've been working on consoles, customization, and repairs for almost 12 years now. I just started building PCs about a year ago. And yeah, that's a little bit about me, guys. So if you guys want to know more, just ask me anything you guys would like to know, as long as it's not personal or something stupid. All my social media links are down below, or you can see right here on the screen, wherever I'm pointing. You'll see my tags for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I just made an official The Guamanian Buddha Facebook gaming channel. So you guys can check the tag down below and go drop a like or follow or check out videos on there. I live stream on there every other day. And then the other days I'm not live streaming on there, I am on Mixer. So you guys can follow me wherever and you'll find me live or uploading a clip or something. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys want to know more about me, just ask. I hope everybody is having a lovely day or night wherever y'all at. And hope to see you guys in future streams. Thank you for watching.